Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. Mrs. Lorenzo just read a story about the bear, and I have another one, and this one is Bear Snores On. The author is Karma Wilson. The illustrator is Jane Chapman. And we know that bears hibernate. Hibernate means they sleep during the wintertime when it's really cold. And the reason animals hibernate like that is when the weather's really cold and there's not a lot of food for them to eat during that time. So they kind of just find a warm, cozy place and sleep. So let's find out where Bear sleeps and what happens in the story. Bear snores on. And we can see this very cold, wintry scene. And we see a little cave or den. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. And we hear those rhyming words, dark spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Sounds pretty good on a cold day. Hot tea and popcorn. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. Nothing's waking up that tired bear. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." So when they divvy something up, that means they're going to share them equally. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Oh, he sleeps so well. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Those are birds. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They're all around the fire getting cozy and warm. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear, are you ready? Roar, chew! He makes him sneeze. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Freezes, sneezes. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, he doesn't look very happy. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I've had none. He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. He's crying because he didn't have any fun. That's why he was so mad. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. That makes Bear very happy. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. So he starts telling them all kinds of stories. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. So now he's wide awake and it's daytime, so they're going to sleep. I love Bear and his stories. All right, my questions are, what are some of the things, or what are the things that the animals bring in to Bear's den? What do they have for their party? And what finally wakes Bear up? What finally wakes Bear up? Have a great day, friends.